how to add the upcoming alarm clock widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, we go down and then tap on Wallpaper and Style. And then tap on the left-hand side panel, which is the lock screen panel. From here, tap on Add Widgets. Then scroll down and tap on Clock. Next, tap on Upcoming Alarm. And then tap on Done. And then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. Here, if you have any upcoming alarm, it will appear in this widget right here. Now, because we don't have any, so it's not showing, so we can try to add in alarm. Okay, so we add in one now, so at 9 p.m. And we turn it all on and then tap on save. Then we go to the lock screen. And here it shows an upcoming alarm clock at 9 p.m. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.